I bring you greetings from my outdoor kitchen. Have you seen this video already? If not, I will leave it in the description area for your quick reference. After that video, did you think I threw away those veggies? Hey, I am here to show you how I used it afterwards. Sɛ adutomfoɔ tae ka sɛ munni nnuaba no na momfa ne nhahan no nsa yareɛ de a, ɛnneɛ na me nso mese mo sɛ monwe ɛnam no na momfa nnuaba no ɛnyɛ spices. Wei deɛ in Fauzia Muller's voice, no long talk biya yɛbɔ ne taw taw. All I did was to blend the veggies together. I did not add any water. I used the juice from the fish to blend. Abusua, sɛ nani da edi kan a waba ha a, mema wakɔ aba. Subscribe to be a part of this wonderful family. To my OGs, chop kiss. I don't take your love and support for granted. I am most grateful to each one of you. After blending, I had this container that I substituted for ice cube trays. If you have one, you can go ahead and use. But if you don't have any of these, if you don't have this or the ice cube containers, you can also do chichirenomame. Until I come your way with another video, beloved, stay safe because I care.